Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today we're going to be working with the Rough Country Cab Length HD2 running boards in black, fitting all 05 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Now these are going to be perfect for the Tacoma owner who's looking for a budget-friendly, well-manufactured way to make getting in and out of their truck just a little bit easier. These running boards are heavy-duty one-piece steel in their construction, so you know that they're going to be durable. They're also finished in a durable black powder coating, which not only adds to the looks, but serves as a layer of protection from the elements as well. Now these running boards are going to give you about 5.5 inches of flat area to plant your foot. On there we have 2 skid plates as well, both embossed with the Rough Country logo. So even in wet or muddy conditions, you're still gonna have a nice spot for you to plant your foot. Now pricing for the set of these is going to come in right around that $300 mark. That price is gonna be right in the middle ground in terms of side steps in general, but for this one, you're getting that one-piece steel. Also included in that price is going to be a limited lifetime warranty from Rough Country. Install for these is going to be extremely easy. All Tacomas 05 and newer have threaded holes on the bottom, and they're perfect for running board brackets, so there's no drilling or modification required to get these installed on your truck. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should only take you a couple of hours to get these hooked up. So without any further ado, let me show you what tools you need and let me show you how it's done. Tools required for this install are going to be an impact or ratchet, 10mm wrench, 10mm socket, and a 13mm socket. So for the first step of our install, we're gonna start at the passenger side front. And like I said, this is extremely easy. Our truck is on a lift. You don't need one of these to do this. It's just so you guys can see a little bit better what I'm about to show you. Now, all Tacomas 05 and newer have threaded holes on the bottom. Our mounting brackets are gonna go right into those and secure using the 13mm hardware included in the kit. Now these are marked, and we started with the passenger front. That's marked as PF. Moving on to the center, this one is PC, and the rear is going to be PR. Then we're gonna run through and get all of our hardware started, adjust our running board as necessary, then run through and tighten all of these down with a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench. We're actually looking pretty good on the truck, so we're gonna start to snug these up. And this nut is a little bit tough to get to with this lip here on the bracket, so we're gonna use a wrench to get that tightened down. And we're gonna wrap up this install by doing the same thing for the middle and rear. And that is gonna do it for my review and install of the Rough Country Cab Length HD2 running boards in black, fitting all 05 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and all things Tacoma.